Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you get all the video notifications. So please do not forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting one healthy and tasty recipe of suji. It's suji bread toast. You can serve this as your breakfast item, evening snacks for your kids, even you can pack them for their school tiffin boxes. It's actually our desi pizza, very healthy with lots of vegetables. So in a mixing bowl, add half cup fine suji and also add 3/4 cup fresh curd. This is my homemade curd. Now give salt as per taste and now first add half cup water. Mix well and if needed you can further add 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll add some fresh vegetables to it. So first I'm adding 2 chopped green chilies, 3/4 cup of each yellow, green, red capsicum, few chopped coriander leaves, 1 small chopped tomato and 1 finely chopped onion. Now mix everything very well and now give it a rest and cover it with a lid for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll take the bread slices and we'll spread some tomato sauce on it. Now once you are done with this, now check the suji consistency. It has absorbed all the water. Now you have to make this little thin. So I am adding further 3/4 cup of water to it. The suji batter should be like this, neither too thick nor too thin. So now take 1 bread slice and spread the suji mixture. Now do not put a thick coating, just a minimum coating, and now sprinkle some chopped capsicums. Now like this we'll prepare the another bread slice. And now on a non-stick frying pan or a tawa, add 1 teaspoon of oil and put the bread slices on the frying pan like this and allow it to cook for 2 minutes in low flame. On the other side of bread, apply some melted butter. And now very carefully flip the bread. And now in medium flame toast the bread until crispy. Now one very important note for this particular recipe, please use non-stick frying pan or tawa, otherwise the breads will stick to the tawa. And it's done. Now serve this healthy suji bread toast as breakfast item or evening snacks. Kids will just love this recipe, the desi pizza. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like it, then please like this recipe, share this recipe and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.